7 right now. So I think I started when I was 6. So I'm 9 now. I started when I was 7. Started when I was 7. I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I can't remember. But I think I started when I was 7. But now I am 9. So I've been doing it for 3 years. Maybe 4. I don't know. Maybe the next year will be 3. But I know it's a lower than 9, higher than 6. So it's probably 7 or 8. I don't know. Keep watching, and at the end, I'll check my beautiful phone. I'll check. I'm not going to give my password. I don't feel like showing you guys my password. Oh, wait, guys. You guys don't know the time, and you're like, what's the time? But I kind of put my YouTube videos. It is 5:15. 5:15. So yeah, so that was my first question. So the second question is, where do I live? That's personal information, guys. If at Facebook, you can friend me, and I will tell you only, and you have to promise not to tell anyone else, because it's really dangerous to tell people where you live. So, I have 3 more questions. Maybe more, but I don't know. I'm just gonna check my Instagram. No, I won't. Okay, so guys, actually, I'm gonna look on my phone for this question. Actually, yeah, I'll just look on my book. What's that? It's you. My password is actually 6 letters. Okay. Okay. Okay, so my phone's right here. I'm gonna go. This is on Instagram. You're like, why are you on Instagram? Why isn't it showing up? Is Instagram in person? I'm on Instagram because I'm gonna answer the question on Instagram. So, okay, it says, what year were you born? What year? I was born 2008. It doesn't say the month or the day, so I won't do that because it doesn't say on YouTube. You guys can't really read it because it's the phone. This is like, this is from Yo I'm Joe, I think. You guys watch Yo I'm Joe? If you don't watch it, it looks like Victor Belly, but it's not, guys. I promise you it's not. It's a shirt. It's a shirt. Okay, next question. Oh, this is another picture of Yo I'm Joe. I think. See, it says Yo I'm Joe. Yo, I'm Joe. Okay. Yo, I'm Joe. So yeah. Okay. Oh, this is for me. I said I love you, baby. Oh. Okay, next question. Bye bye. You know what? We'll go back. Okay. Next question. What is your favorite color? Teal, but I don't like teal. So yeah. No, I don't want to cover it. Okay, next one. Wait, guys. I have to post that. Okay, next question. Oh, this is like kind of have a nice comment from the first video. It says, "Hi Vanessa, I really like your videos. I really like the Vanessa jumpsuits. I hope you can do more, and I hope I'm your first or something." And that was from I don't really know because that came out of my head. I didn't look it here because it says like from Yonjo, I could be wearing red tours too. Y'all just never know. Happy? No. Then I said, Vanessa, am I painted? Cool. love your vids. And I said, cool, because I read the message and I'm like, oopsie. I'm like, I said, cool. And I said, I can comment on this one. Love, no, actually I'm just gonna write Awesome girl. Awesome girl. Yay. Yo, I'm Joe. Awesome girl, yo, I'm Joe. Yeah, so I don't know really what to write. Okay, so next, guys. Next. Oh, next, I've got a question. What? Guys, I'm also looking on Instagram instead of doing the video. If you know her, comment below, because I do. She's a YouTuber. I'll tell you who she is. She's Little Kelly. Oh my gosh, yo, I want to follow Little Kelly. Okay, guys. If you guys want Instagram, you're trying to get it. Actually, no. Guys, I'm gonna give you a helpful advice. If you guys get a new little message, I am your biggest fan. I am your biggest fan. I give him a fan, but I am his biggest fan. Ooh, these are all. I'm not done. Actually, I'm gonna follow them. Okay, guys, I'm following all the little pups I think. Okay, I'm gonna end it right there. I know it was like more like an Instagram thing, but it's okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to follow me, mine is I will write in the comments down below so you guys can go. Like you're right there. I'm gonna pull you out of camera. I'm just joking. So guys, if you want to be following on Instagram, go check me out. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And if you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Bye, guys.